Nobody likes mushy, dull-colored vegetables. Unfortunately, green beans fall victim to this every time. I'm going to show you a simple two-step process called blanch and shock that allows you to make bright green, crispy green beans every single time. To start, you want to gather all of your equipment and your ingredients. What I like to get is a large pot of water boiling on the stove. For 1 pound of green beans, I recommend about 12 cups of water or 3 quarts of water, and then also add 1 teaspoon of salt so that you can season the green beans at the same time. What this does is that it tenderizes the green beans so they're nice and soft and crisp when you eat them. So get the water boiling, and when it's at a nice rolling boil, you want to add the green beans carefully into the pot. The water looks perfect, so I'm going to add them right now. The process of blanching just takes about 2 to 3 minutes, so make sure you keep a close eye on the beans. You'll see the chlorophyll molecule inside of the green bean turn from a dull green to a bright green color, and that's when you want to take them out of the water. So the last step of this process to stop the color change of the green beans is to shock the green beans in icy cold water. There's about 4 cups of water to 3 cups of ice in this ice water bath. I'm going to transfer the green beans, see how bright green they are, to the cold water. Adding the green beans to the cold water is going to immediately stop the cooking process so that the beans stay nice and crisp and bright green. You want to keep them in the water bath for about 5 minutes or so. Once the green beans are done chilling, you're going to want to transfer them to a bowl. See how nice and bright and green they are. From here, you can refrigerate them and use them at another time and just reheat them when you're ready. They're really great for meal prepping or making your lunches so that they're already cooked and ready to go, or really great for holidays when you're trying to get everything together ahead of time, and then the last thing all you need to do is to reheat these and toss them with any flavorings or oils and seasonings that you want for your side dish. The blanched and shocked green beans should have a nice bright green color and crunchy texture, and if you've got that, then you know you've done it right.